Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock Anna's archive. As you may already know, Anna's archive is blocked in several countries. If you are in a country that blocks Anna's archive and try to access the website, you will see an error message like this. Your internet service provider prevents you from accessing the site. Want to access Anna's archive? No problem, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Before I show you how to unblock and access Anna's archive, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications if you enjoy this type of content. This will mean a lot to me and help me create even more useful videos. So, how can you unblock and access Anna's archive? The answer can be summed up in one word: Proton VPN. Proton VPN is an app you can install on your computer, smartphone, or tablet that allows you to change your IP address. Once Proton VPN is activated, your real IP address will be hidden and replaced with the IP address of the VPN server you're connected to. Let's say you are in a country where Anna's archive is blocked and want to access it. You can simply use Proton VPN to hide your IP address, preventing your internet service provider from seeing which websites you visit. It will no longer be able to stop you from accessing Anna's archive. You can either click on a country on the map or in this list here. There are many countries available: the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Japan, to name just a few. These are all locations you can virtually connect from. Simply select a location. I recommend using a location where Anna's archive is unlikely to be blocked. Let's pick Malta, for example. I click on Malta. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. There we go. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Malta. My IP address has been replaced with the IP address of a VPN server located in Malta. If I go to this page, you can see I now have a Maltese IP address. Then just refresh the page and you will have access to Anna's archive. I showed you how to do this from a computer, but it works exactly the same on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are very similar. As you've seen, to unblock Anna's archive, you need Proton VPN. To give it a try, visit vpnfolio.com/proton or click the link below this video. Proton VPN is one of the very best VPNs on the market today. It can unblock any website, including Anna's archive, as you just saw. Proton VPN has over 16,000 servers in 127 countries. It's a safe, reliable, and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and more. You can use it on up to 10 devices at the same time. No speed limits, no bandwidth limits, a strict no-log policy. It's highly effective for bypassing firewalls, geo-blocks, and censorship. Proton VPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it only costs $2.49 per month, cheaper than a coffee at Starbucks. It's the equivalent of 8 cents per day, a ridiculously low price considering all the benefits a VPN like Proton VPN offers. To summarize, the idea is to use Proton VPN to hide your IP address and prevent your internet service provider from seeing which sites you visit. Once your IP address is hidden, they can no longer block your access to Anna's archive. All you have to do is choose a location and activate the VPN. That's it. It is that simple. Note that Proton VPN offers a 30-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee, meaning you can sign up, try the service for several weeks with no limits, and request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, simply contact their customer support and ask for it. That's it. The only condition is that you make the request within 30 days of signing up. Otherwise, it will be too late. That said, I recommend keeping your subscription because Proton VPN provides many other benefits such as private browsing and downloading, access to more content, improved connection security, avoiding bandwidth throttling, saving money, and much more. Don't forget, with our link, you'll get a 75% discount plus a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free for you. There is another VPN that also lets you unblock and access Anna's archive, NordVPN. NordVPN is also a safe, reliable, and fast VPN with more than 8,000 servers in 126 countries. Like Proton VPN, NordVPN allows you to hide your IP address and therefore unblock Anna's archive. NordVPN is also available on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, and you can use it on up to 10 devices simultaneously. So, if Proton VPN doesn't suit you, I recommend using NordVPN. To give it a try, visit vpnfolio.com/nord or click the link below this video. NordVPN's price is also very low, only $2.99 per month. That's just 10 cents per day. NordVPN offers a 30-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee, meaning you can sign up, try the service for several weeks with no limits, and request a refund if you wish. That's it for today. Now you know how to unblock and access Anna's archive from anywhere in the world. As you've seen, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I'll reply as soon as possible. If you like this video or found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications. Thank you and see you next time.